How do you calculate all of the Amazon fees that you get nickel and dime for on Amazon? If you're a seller, this is the video for you. My name is Stephen Pope, and I am my Amazon guy. All right, so there's a couple of tools I'm going to recommend. One is free, one is paid. The free one is the Amazon Revenue Calculator, so you can definitely kind of spreadsheet this one out using that. The other is Helium 10. I'm going to show you Helium 10 first. I think it's really helpful because if you're doing product research and you're trying to figure out fees before you launch, you could go in and put, use the Chrome extension from Helium 10 and come in here and figure out, not only the data, what they sell, their run through, sales velocities, all that good stuff, but it also gives you this nice fee right here and lets you know, hey, all of your pick and pack and your referral fee included. So if you're selling this apple slicer for $18.99, your fees to sell it are $6.33. And you can use that math to figure out all of the fee structures. So what I don't like about the app is it doesn't break out the FBA fee, the pick and pack, versus the referral fee of 15%. So you do have to do a little bit of math, minus out that 15% to understand, okay, if it's $6.33 in fees, minus 15% of $19, that's my actual shipping cost. So with that in mind, that is how you would calculate your FBA pick and pack fee. But that's really the only thing this tool is going to help you do. If you're trying to get like an easy way to explain to the rest of your team that's helping you sell on Amazon, you need like a soundbite, if you will. I recommend you tell them that Amazon is about a 33% partner. And that is inclusive of the 15% referral fee, the pick and pack fee, and then it includes all of the logistics as well as advertising. I recommend you spend about 10% of your total gross revenue on ads. That is 10% to grow your account. If you're doing less than 10, you're leaving sales on the table and you're not growing. So 33%. So that includes a 15% referral fee, 10% in ads, and the rest is basically logistics. So one of the ways you could figure that out is the Helium 10 tool. Another thing you could do is you can plop into the FBA Revenue Calculator. So you could say, hey, I'm going to sell this at $18.99. My cost to ship this into Amazon is 50 cents. And then you think, what your monthly storage cost is. Usually it's going to be like a couple pennies per month, maybe a dime per month in Q4 because they jack up the warehousing costs in Q4. And your cost of goods, let's say your cost of goods is $3.50. And you come down here and hit the calculate button. So let's put in the data on the fulfillment side. Ship to Amazon, 0.50 cents. Average inventory units stored, let's say we're going to store 250 of these and calculate. So here you go. Here's your net margin. Looks like it's a pretty bad net margin with the math that we put in at 6%. But here it says, you're selling on Amazon fees is $2.85. That is the referral fee of 15%. Your FBA fee, your pick and pack, is $3.48. Cost to ship in 50 cents. So your total all-in cost of $3.98. Monthly storage cost of about 3 cents. It looks like cost per unit sold $7.50. That kind of looks like a bad number. Let's recalculate that with 1. Because that'll probably be more accurate. All right, now our profit margin went up to 45%. That's more like it. And our seller proceeds of $12.13. Cost of the goods, minus that out. Boom, net profit, $8.63 with a net margin of 45%. Now, this math may or may not be realistic. Maybe there's a nuance to this. Maybe your cost to ship into Amazon's not 50 cents. Maybe it's $1. Maybe your cost of product's $5. Whatever it might be, you might have to massage that. But you can see here clearly, here's the revenue, here's the cost, here's the seller proceeds, here's the net profit. And it's very easy to see a side by side, whether you did this through FBA or seller fulfilled and whatnot. So a great way to calculate your fees. The advertising costs are not calculated here in any shape or form. And I generally recommend you calculate that at around 10% tacos total cost of revenue. Your A cost will probably be more like 25 to 35%, depending on the category you're in. Could be even more. But that is how to calculate Amazon fees on Amazon. If you need further assistance, you need any assistance of any kind within Amazon, go to myamazonguy.com. If you need tax and accounting, I have a friend who runs Seller Accountant. His name is Tyler Jeffcoat. Great operation. So if you need to figure out where your profits and margins are going, need an external CFO service, these are the guys you should talk to. All right, thanks for watching so much. You guys have a great day. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.